This is a video on guided imagery, which is an anxiety management strategy. Guided imagery is a relaxation technique that can help you quickly and easily manage stress and reduce the tension in your body. Some have compared it to a vivid daydream. It also helps participants get in touch with deeper levels of wisdom held on their subconscious level to help better manage their lives in ways that would reduce stress. So essentially, there are some benefits to guided imagery that one would not be able to get without using this technique. Guided imagery is pretty much a clear and simple process. All you need is a quiet, private location, a comfortable sitting or laying position. Some people really recommend sitting because you may get too comfortable laying down and you could quite realistically fall asleep. You also may want a video or audio guide to help prompt you for the guided imagery. There are only a few tasks to get through the guided imagery practice. So the first step is to get into a comfortable position. The second step is to begin your belly breathing, which we've covered on a previous tutorial. Next, you'll envision yourself in the most relaxing environment you can imagine. And this could be on a sunny beach, maybe in a rainforest, perhaps sitting on your lawn, sitting in a rocking chair, just anywhere that you can imagine being fully relaxed. And then step 4, as you envision your environment, you want to try to involve all of your senses. And when you involve all of your senses, you'll be asking yourself questions such as, what does this environment look like? Where you're at, what are some of the things that you'll see? How does it feel to be in that environment? What are some things that you'll actually have an opportunity to touch or to feel what it's like? What special things are you smelling? What makes this a distinguished place to be by smell or scent? Also, what are you hearing? Do you hear the roar of a fire, splashes from the waterfall or the sea? Do you hear sounds of birds? Do you hear kids on the park playing? So what are some of the things that you hear? And then lastly, once you get really deep into the relaxation practice, you'll be able to pick up certain tastes. So when you're visualizing things, what are some of the distinguishing tastes that you are able to pick up on? Step 5 is to relax for as long as you would like. You may want to put some limits on that relaxation time, and I'll go a little bit into that during the last portion of the tips and hints for guided imagery. Lastly are some hints and tips for the guided imagery practice. So something that others have said have been helpful are adding sounds to enhance the ambiance or the environment you're envisioning. So again, maybe some birds chirping in the background, or a recording of a sea, waves going across in a sea, or maybe you're in a jungle, so you hear jungle animals making noises. But adding like a sound effects to your guided imagery will help really make you feel that you're there. Also, you may want to set an alarm in case you fall asleep and lose track of time. It's very easy once you get into that relaxed state to actually slip into a sleep. So if you have something to do, which more than likely is true for most people, put on an alarm, maybe for 10 or 15 minutes, just so you can make sure that you can fully relax yourself without the risk of falling asleep and missing what you have to do afterwards. And then lastly, create a tape of your own or purchase a recording, or you can find a therapist who will guide you through the imagery process. So there's lots of different guided imagery tools out there. I'll paste one in the description of this video, but you can pretty much get a guided imagery practice that will help you envision yourself anywhere that you would like yourself to be. So that can definitely be helpful until you have fully mastered this and you're able to do it without the guidance.